Hello, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Godiva. So, I just want to give you an update of my analysis of the week. Today is Thursday, November 30th. All right, let's go into the analysis. I'm currently on the chart of Usdcad. Yesterday, I did an analysis which I already posted on my channel. And according to my explanation, I'm still watching this pair because so that I'll know what to do next. I'm still watching the pair. As at yesterday, I told you guys that if price disrespected, this supply was already disrespected as at yesterday. You see that price already broke out of this zone, you see? And now price is currently in a retracement mode. So let's just see how price is going to react because I don't want to force anything. I just want to see price is currently retracing now. We say after a break of structure, there's going to be a retracement, and currently price is retracing. I don't know where price is going to retrace to. So price can retrace back to this demand. I already closed my sell. Yesterday I was selling. I already closed my sell. Price can retrace back to this demand or even to the high. So I don't know where price is going to retrace to. What I'm going to do, I'll just put in my trend line here like this. That's what I'll do. I'll not predict anything. I'll just put in my trend line. This is my induction trend line, retracement trend line, anyhow I call it induction trend line. That's what I normally call it because inducing people to buy, which at the end of the day it might be selling. So I'll just put in this trend line here. I'll just wait for price to break out of this trend line before I'll decide on selling or buying. So if price break out of this trend line, I'm buying. And another confluence is that if price break out of this trend line and price has already respected this demand before breaking out of this trend line, then I make that one is another confluence that the sell is going to be strong. Why? Because this is a demand zone that was respected. The demand zone was not invalidated, it was respected. So if price respects this demand zone and break out of this trend line, I'm selling, continue selling back to this supply zone here. You understand? So once price gets to this supply zone, I'll close my trade and wait on what the price is going to do. Either price is going to continue selling or price is going to respect this supply zone to buy. So currently I'm just waiting on what the price is going to do. So most of trading is when you wait. Now that is for analysis for USD card. Now let me open USD AUD card. Let me see. I've not checked the chart for today. Let's see. Okay, I already analyzed this before now. Let me just show you. I've analyzed it. On the weekly time frame, price is obviously is bearish. Price has been bearish for a very long time. We had a break of structure here. That's why this is here. Okay, we had a break of structure. And so price broke out of this main trend line. This one, I always call this one my induction trend line. That's price going against the main trend. This is what an induction trend. And price is very, very bullish on here since. Now price is currently at a demand zone. You see this demand zone? Price is currently here. Price took out this liquidity here and price is currently at the demand zone. So I'm not doing anything. What I'm just doing here is just to wait and to see if this demand zone is going to be respected or if it's going to be invalidated. So if I get a break of structure, let me bring this time frame to H4. If I get a break of structure, I'm waiting on, you can see that I wrote waiting for break of structure. I'm currently waiting for a significant structure to be invalidated. If I get a break of structure like this, then I'll know that this demand zone was the demand zone they are going to use. So if I get a break of structure, I will be preparing to take a sell back down because the main trend is a sell. The overall direction is a sell. So this one is just a retracement, and which I also call an induction back to at least the half of the range so that price can bring back so that the price can move down again. So I will just wait. Price is currently at a zone now. So we're not doing anything. We're just waiting to see what price is going to do. Currently, the price is very moving. It's moving slowly. So there's nothing we can do for now. We'll just wait and wait. When we get a break of structure to the downside, we'll be selling. We get a break of structure to the downside, we'll be selling. And the breakout of this trend line will also confirm that price is actually ready to sell. And so if we also put in our EMAs, everything should be, all the EMAs must have crossed down. All my EMAs must have crossed like this. Just like this. See the way all these EMAs are crossed before now. If I also get the same thing, everything here, then I know that the trend is really ready to sell off. But for now, there's nothing there. We just wait. We are waiting on Audcad. Then let's also go to another analysis. Okay, US AUD. This is good. Like I said yesterday, we are just waiting for price to do. Price is currently at the high, so we're not doing anything. We're just waiting. All the pairs we are having now, we're just waiting. We're waiting for gold to give us a structure before we can decide on what to do. Let's also go for USD, AUD USD. Okay, I already did my analysis before. This is a bearish trend. This is an outer trend line. See that price is currently at the trend line again. We got a break of structure, although price is respecting this zone. Price respected here and push price up. So I actually do not know what price is going to do. This one is, I will just wait until I get price reacting to. Two things can happen. Price is currently reacting to this order block here, this movement here. Price is currently reacting to this place. So let's just see how price is going to react. If it's going to just be a little induction and then continuation back to this side, because price has not broken out of this trend line yet. So we're still waiting to see what price is going to do. There's no direction yet on USD card, AUD USD, I mean. So we're still waiting. Euro USD, we're still waiting. I've done my analysis. Okay, let's see. Okay. From the monthly time frame, price is bearish. Then if you check, this is the range of the monthly, and then price is currently at the 50% of the range. And so as the 50% price broke and it broke a major structure, so which means price is about to go down. We have a break of structure here. This movement was a break of structure. And so if we take the range of this trend, of this expansion, after an expansion, we wait for a retracement. So if we take the range of this expansion, we have the half of the range there. So this retracement was exactly it broke past the half, right? Yes. See, the retracement broke past the half and is respecting this place now. Price just tap into this, should I call it a demand zone, or this structure here, this structural point here. So price just tap into that place. So we're expecting to sell USD, Euro USD, but we're not going to sell immediately. Now, okay, we might be selling, but okay, we might be selling. Price respected this place and price just dropped. So we are going to be waiting for a break of structure before we sell. Price is currently at this mini trend line now. This is an induction trend line. Is almost breaking out of this trend line. Price is already almost breaking out of this trend line. See, price is almost breaking out of this trend line, which means Euro USD is already prepared for a sell. So is an expansion, retracement. We are waiting for a break of structure. Once price breaks below this structure, we are selling. So do not think the reason why I'm doing all this is because I don't want to take a forced breakout. I don't want to be induced. So I'll just wait for price to give me all my criteria first. Because sometimes, most of the time, they'll say, why are you not selling from here? Once price tapped into this supply zone, I mean demand zone, why am I not selling from there? I don't want to sell from there until I get all my criteria right. Because I'll be doing it, but it hasn't been working well for me. So if I had sold from here, because price tap into this demand zone, if I sold, you see that I would have taken a loss. Why? Because this was just one move. It has not even breaking any structure yet. So I'll wait for price to break a significant structure before I'm going to say I want to sell. Okay, as we were saying, Euro USD is currently, we had an expansion that broke structure. It cleared out this high and it just tapped into the highest level we're looking at here. This place is another demand that price just tapped into, and it's retracing, and it just broke out a little out of this trend line. So we're waiting for a break of structure here. Once we get this break of structure, we will be selling Euro USD. So this one we are going to be watching it. Probably will be okay. We have not gotten, there is no EMA cross yet, so we are still waiting for EMA cross and a break of structure. Although price are just broken out of this trend line, so we are waiting for EMA cross and a break of structure. So until we get those two confluences, we are not selling, although the structure is already there. But as soon as we get all our confluences correct, we are going to be selling Euro USD. That is for Euro USD. Let's see GBP USD as well. GBP USD, we have similar analysis on both pair. You see, similar analysis. From the monthly time frame, price has been bearish. Now we got a break of structure here. We got a break of structure here. After a break of structure, we expect a retracement. Now this is the retracement. At least half of the range. You see that this high, this is the half of this range of this expansion. Now price is currently above the half, which is what price is at the premium already, and now price is respecting a demand zone here. So until we are going to sell, while we're expecting a sell on GBP USD, but we're not selling immediately because we have to get all our confirmations right. You see that I placed a mini trend line again. So we'll be seeing a break of this trend line soon. But we are going to wait until we break a significant structure and then EMA cross before we are going to take a sell. Now the EMAs are still very high. Let's go to 1 hour. So there's no EMA cross yet, even on the 15 minutes, until we get an EMA cross and a break of significant structure. So we'll be expecting a break of structure at this level. Once we get a break of structure here, then we'll get an EMA cross here, break out of this trend line. We are selling GBP USD. But for now, we are waiting. Yes, we are waiting. Which other play again? I'm watching this one. I'm watching this and this. Okay, those are the analysis that I have for this week. Euro USD. Yes, those are the analysis I have for this week, guys. So if you have any question, you can ask on the chat. And if you like this, and if you like what I'm posting, I believe if you like what I've been posting about, just please follow, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, guys, and click on the like button, and also share to your friends and family so that we'll have a lot of persons on this channel. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Till when I come back, I'll be giving you an update on this analysis that I just shared with you guys. Thank you very much, and God bless you.